Welcome back, guys, to another Eddie Kicks video. It's been a while, you know, YouTube been doing me dirty. You know, I had like 3 videos removed in the past month, so I just took like a little like few week break just to like try to like calm YouTube down, make sure like they won't do it no more. I don't know. Anyways, I'm back. Hopefully, YouTube, I love you. Without you, I'd be nothing. I'd literally be a bum. Riding the wave, you know. Let's just all right, today I got this haul, and I also have another haul that's literally about to get delivered in the middle of this video, so I'll cut that once it's like delivered. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this one first. This haul, it's like a tiny little box. There is so much stuff in this box. I don't know how it's all fitting in here, but Cnfans is doing anything they can to make save some money on shipping, because this is definitely a lot cheaper than if they had a bigger box. I shipped this like a month ago. I think it was like 150. I don't know. This is a 18 kg haul. I'll probably just round it up to 20, but this is a 18 kg haul. Yeah, Cnfans got it. Cnfans got it. Anyways, it's time to open the haul. You know, it's been a while. You know, you guys have been fiending for some hauls. I got you. Yo, they like triple taped this thing. I'm a little rusty, guys. This is my first haul in like a month. I haven't opened a box in a month. Ow. There we go. Oh my God. Yo, this box is jam-packed to the brim. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Ah, it's so heavy. Literally jam-packed to the brim with stuff. Hopefully everything in here is actually good, and yeah, and I'll have a W haul, and it'll be a 10 out of 10 haul. All right, the first thing on top is a essentials bag. All right, bag has been opened, and here is it. It is this essentials. Yo. Wait, is it normal? All right, it's this essentials hoodie. As you can see, some gray. You got the little one on the front, the big logo on the back, and then I look at the hood. Unless this is like a new essentials like drop. Since when essentials have, it's like a little rubber piece held on by a thread. I know they usually have one there, but it's nothing like this. Did I just get Temu essentials? Nah, I already jinxed the haul. I already jinxed the haul at the beginning. I said it's gonna be a good haul. Oh my God, I got Temu essentials, bro. This is what I get for paying 10 bucks. I actually like needed a nice little calm hoodie to wear like on a calm day. I'm not adding that to my spreadsheet. I'll put a better one on repsheets.net. By the way, repsheets.net is my spreadsheet where you can find literally over like 5,000 items to buy. I think it's like 50 plus brands, like you got shirts, coats, shoes, socks, hoodies, pants, jeans, everything. Got everything on repsheets.net. So repsheets.net, it's on the screen, repsheets.net, and that essentials hoodie will not be in there. All right, next. Next is another essentials. I think it's from the same person, so I'm betting it's gonna be bad. Here it is. It has the same little thing. Maybe it's like just like a different kind of like essentials, because it has the same little like thread, and then like it's like small letters. Maybe I'm like overreacting. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. I don't know. I just kind of just buy stuff without looking at it. Oh, what the yo? Why do pants have a silver thing? You see that? Oh, what the? It's like metal. It's like plastic. I know a normal essentials has that, but it's not silver, sparkly silver. I mean, it's kind of tough though. It's still calm. But yeah, a gray hoodie and a gray pants. I still probably won't link that unless you guys want it, because I didn't know that was a real essentials design. Who knows? Maybe it is. But yeah, each of those is like 20 something dollars, $10. I don't know. Next though, got this hoodie. Now this hoodie is a very popular hoodie, so you definitely know what it is. You've definitely seen it on some people before. Dang, this hoodie heavy. Here is a Supreme X Mason Margiela hoodie. This is like my third one I own. Third white one I own. I have a black one as well. But you know, I wear it. I actually like wear this, so it gets damaged, it gets stained, it gets wear, it gets used. So I have to get a new one. Now every time I bought one, I bought it from a different seller. So I'm just gonna do a quick review of this one, maybe try it on and stuff. Okay. It's a little baggy. You might shrink in the washer. It's not bad actually. It's not bad. It's really comfy though. What I like about these is they're like genuinely comfortable. Like look at the inside. It's like a bunny. So you get comfort, you get style, you get the whole package. Low key, it was like 50 bucks, which is like a higher priced item. I don't usually spend that much when I'm buying stuff. I'm more of like a budget type guy, but hey, I'm happy with it. Anyways, next, chrome hearts. Why is the bag like this? The bag's like a porous material. I kind of forgot what this was. What is this? Oh, it's like a little like sweater type thing. Oh, I actually like this. I always like the dagger design, chrome hearts piece, and this I like this one. I mean, I'm gonna try it on. I hope it fits. All right, here it is on body. Fits you pretty well. I do have a shirt under it, so you can see the black peeking out. If I would wear a shirt under it, I'd probably do like white, maybe even gray to match it. Or I might do black if I have like you see how like the neckline, it's so wide, and that kind of doesn't work well with shirts that have like a loose or tight collar. So you just gotta keep that in mind. You know, as a fashion MF like me, you gotta look at like the actual like design and styling and stuff, the tips and stuff, you already know. Anyways, let's continue. Next, ooh. Bro, why is it bunched up in a ball? Like whoever packed my haul did not do it well. He literally just went like, he just went and shove it in the bag, bro. Come on, bro. This is my shirt I paid for. Like, next time I come to the factory, I'm gonna catch you. Don't even trip, bro. Don't like, bro. All right, here I have a waffle print type sweater from Stussy. Stussy tag. I think I've seen like 1,000 of these Stussy tags in my lifetime. So I've gotten like 1,000 Stussy items. But I have the beige version of this, and I'm like, ooh, this one look cool as well. So I got it. You see, it's like a camo one. Yo, I'm out of breath. It's been a while. And it has Stussy on the back. I would say it's like 20, 30 bucks. I don't really remember, but I will have it on repsheets.net, so you can search up Stussy waffle print shirt or whatever. I don't know, Stussy waffle print. You'll find it, and you can buy this. I already know it's good because I already have the other one beige. So yeah. Next is the same exact thing, but in a better color, in my opinion. Darker. Ooh, I love this color. I'm gonna have to wear it like weekly rotation type shirt. In the autumn season, you got the black Stussy logo with like a dark charcoal type gray type color. On the back, you get a big Stussy logo. You know, it's a nice little sweater. The leaves are turning like red and yellow and stuff. It's like a little chilly outside, but it's not hot, it's not cold. So it's perfect. You can just put this on. So it'll keep you warm, keep you good. But yeah, I recommend you guys buy this one because I think it looks fire. It'll be at repsheets.net. Also guys, another plug, do not forget your Cnfans coupons. $129 worth of Cnfans coupons. First link in the description, it'll say Cnfans coupons, $129 off. Click it, sign up. You can literally make an alt account. You can make any amount of alt accounts and just spam it and literally get yourself free coupons. I do it on my hauls. I tell you guys this every time. I do it on my own hauls. I would never lie. I think this one, it was like 150. I used 20% off. So I saved like 30 bucks minimum on this, which in this economy, 30 bucks is 30 bucks. I can get like, dang, I can get a few meals with that. Like if I'm ever hungry. All right, I just opened this without even telling you guys what it is. So this is a AMI, I think that's what it's called, AMI hoodie. It's a black with red hearts. Yeah, I kind of need like a black little hoodie that was pretty blank, you know, minimalistic. Can throw on it any day and not, you know, have to like put something on or stress about, you know, if it looks good or not. So I got this, you know, I like the little design, the little red heart. Oh, you can always stretch your clothing out. You can always shrink your clothing. You can do so much things with your clothing. So that's why I don't stress too much about sizes. You can always change it. This actually fits pretty well. And it's pretty cold in my house right now, so I'm gonna keep it on. I have 3 layers on. All right, next. Hold on, not next. This AMI hoodie, you can find that at repsheets.net. I think it was actually like, I'd say it's in between 30 and 40, so I'm gonna say 35. Now, guys, please tell me to get the numbers right in comments because for my next video, I wanna have the numbers down. I wanna, you know, have the prices down so I can tell you guys the right price. So please press me about that. Next is this blue. It's not blank because it has a brand on it. I don't know what the brand is. Whatever this brand is, I just saw it on a haul on Reddit. I'm like, all right, it looks kind of nice. Got a double zip, it's kind of cropped. This is something I can work with, you know, so I bought it. I don't feel like trying it on because I have 3 layers on, but here it is. Quality feels pretty nice. It definitely won't shrink. I can feel it. It's one of these qualities that just like, it doesn't like shrink, it doesn't get bigger, it doesn't do nothing. And I like that because it looks like my size already. But yeah, this is pretty cheap since it is like a kind of blank hoodie. It's nothing crazy on it. This is the brand Garms affiliated. I don't know. Just taking an educated guess, there's like a 90% chance this is a European brand. I'm telling you, the European brands always have like the rep clothing. Anyways, you can find that at repsheets.net if you want it. Yeah. Next up, ooh, yeah. Next up is this Vivienne Westwood, and it came with a bag. I love the bag because if you're ever giving a gift to someone, you can just throw it in a bag and be like, here you go, I got you this. And they'd be like, oh my God, you got me a real Vivienne Westwood. Oh my God, you got me a real Dior, you got me a real Balenciaga. Oh my God. I'm like, yeah, it's just typical for me. Anyways, I'm a little dust bag. Dang, the bright light. Little dust bag. Don't care about that. And I don't care about the box either. The real star of the show is right here. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at that. Oh my God, that's Vivienne right there. That's Vivienne on my neck. Ooh, let me put this on, All right, there it is on my neck. I wish I wasn't looking like a gray Oreo right now, you know, black, gray, black, but it is what it is. I got 3 layers on. Anyways, here it is on my neck. Look at that. This might have to be in the daily rotation. I can't lie. Just a nice little design. And it's not like the one that everyone else has. This is like a little one that's like, you see, it looks different. Well, next. Ooh, this last item. Guys, this last item. For this haul, at least, you still got another package with me. You still got more time with me. Anyways, for this haul, the last item. Cheesing. Are you ready? Supreme BB Simon zip up hoodie. Come on, this is heat. Look at this. Yes, look at that quality. Oh my God. I don't even want to wash this. I think these are like 60 bucks as well. That's pretty good for like what you're getting. Like these are real like these are raised gemstones. Like if you're watching this video, you have no excuse not to buy this now. And I'm not even affiliated with the seller or nothing. I don't make a single dollar off of this. I'm just telling you guys right now, is this is drip. You will get compliments. But yeah, let me try it on. Oh my God. I'm sorry I said God. Can we just analyze this? I feel like a rock star. This will make you look like you're a rock star, make you look like, you know, you got money, you got this, you got that. You may say Supreme in a 25. I don't care. I don't care. 25 Supreme is it. Especially when it's BB Simon Supreme. Come on. And I got a Vivienne Westwood layered under it. Oh my God, this might be like the best fitting hoodie I've ever had. Look at it, look at the fit on me. This might be in the top 10, top 5 rep purchases I've ever had. Hey, I said it. My number one would probably be, probably these pants. I wear these pants every day. You guys don't believe it, I wear it every day. Anyways, back to the hoodie. Oh my God, it's like 50 bucks as well. Guys, lock in. If this is not in your haul, what are you doing? What are you doing? This just enlightened my mood. Like, I got something positive out of this haul. Nah, all right, let me stop. Anyways, you know where to find it. Repsheets.net. Search up Supreme X BB Simon and you'll find it and you can buy it. And I'm not even affiliated with the seller. I don't make a dime off this. I just want you guys to have it. I don't even have any affiliated hauls. I just realized that everyone else has like hauls that like they make commission off of. I don't have that. I don't really care for that. You know, they may be making an extra, you know, $100 off their videos. I don't care. I mean, like, I'd better have you guys, you know, get honest reviews. Anyways, that was it for this package. My other one, I think, literally just arrived outside of my window. Oh my God. So let me come back to that. So yeah, that concludes the first haul. I originally planned to make this one video, but it ended up being too long. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It's still a fire haul in the next video. Do not worry. If you guys did like the video and you want to show me some love, you can sign up to Cnfans with the first link in my description. It literally gives me like nothing, but it also gives you guys like coupons. It helps me out a little bit. You know, YouTube doesn't pay me. It's literally all you guys. So just know how much you mean to me. Also, why aren't you subscribed? Because look right here. 99% of my viewers are not subscribed. I think I have like the worst ratio on YouTube because like I've seen like 50%, 70%, 99% is crazy. Come on, guys, lock in. We supposed to take over the internet, bro. Come on, bro. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. You can find everything at repsheets.net. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's supposed to be in this video. It was too long. Peace.